Phishing emails sent to Italy as part of a new malware campaign have been shown to install an information stealing program on infected Windows PCs. According to a study by Uptics security researcher Karthik Kumar Katharasan, the data stealer virus collects sensitive information including system info, crypto wallet and browser history, cookies, and credentials of crypto wallets from target devices. The Milan-based IT services company SI.Net made the first public announcements about the campaign last month. A phishing email with an invoice theme contains a link that, when clicked, downloads a password-protected zip archive file containing two files, a shortcut LNK file and a BAT file. This starts the multi-stage infection process. The attack chain is the same regardless of which file is launched, since launching the shortcut file retrieves the identical batch script used to install the information stealer payload from a GitHub repository. Utilizing a reliable PowerShell binary that was also downloaded from GitHub, this is accomplished. After being installed, the C#-based malware collects system metadata, data from dozens of web browsers, such as cookies, bookmarks, credit cards, downloads, and credentials, as well as data from a number of cryptocurrency wallets, and sends it all to a domain that is under the control of an actor. Organizations are advised to develop strict security controls and multi-layered visibility and security solutions to identify and detect malware in order to lessen the impact of such assaults.